Let's discuss about why good sleep is important for each one of us. Let me begin with asking you a question. How many hours of sleep did you get last night? Was it 6 hours, 5 hours, 3 hours, or no sleep at all? Maybe you were stuck watching a movie, reading a magazine, or a novel, staying awake all night, chatting with friends. Maybe you were stuck with any of these activities. Correct me if I'm wrong, but sleep is often seen as time wasted, lost forever. There are proverbs that warn you about being left behind while sleeping. In practically every language, there are idioms like caught napping. So, those who want to make something of themselves in life cut down on sleep. An average adult sleeps for 6 hours a night. Let's look into certain statistics of how many hours people in the world sleep. And national average in Japan is 5 hours and 59 minutes. An adult sleeps for this long hours. Saudi Arabia 6 hours 8 minutes. Japan 5 hours 59 minutes. Sweden 6 hours 10 minutes. And India it is 6 hours 20 minutes. Do you know these numbers can kill us? Science says an adult needs to sleep at least 7.5 hours every night. During these 7.5 hours, a person completes 5 90-minute sleep cycles. During these cycles, your brain moves from deep, non rapid eye movement sleep to rapid eye movement sleep. First couple of cycles are dominated by non REM sleep. It cleanses and maintains our body, brain, and heart. The next set of cycles are needed for processing and learning all the information that we have gathered throughout the day. If you're having trouble recalling names, information, or trivia, blame it to your sleep or lack of sleep. 7.5 hours per night is the recommended amount of sleep. America's Center for Disease Control is a little more practical. It says an adult needs more than 7.5 hours. This applies to all adults, barring just 3 to 5% of population. They can do with less than 6 hours of sleep. But for majority of us we require 7.5 hours sleeps or more than that. Now that we know how much we should sleep, the next question is when should we sleep? Can we complete our sleep quota in mornings, afternoons, and evenings? Again, here is what science says. People are at their sleepiest at 2 points in the day, between 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., between 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. The best time to go to sleep is between 8 p.m. to midnight. Early to bed, early to rise. Give a man his dose of vitamin D. The Vedas says we should wake up around 3:30 a.m. It is called as Brahma Muhurta, auspicious time for success, time for creator. But this is impossible in the world that we have created for ourselves. Most of our work shifts are late into the night. What happens if you go to sleep after midnight? Late bedtime is related to depressive symptoms. Some experts believe that if you sleep by 2 a.m. but complete your 7.5 hours of sleep, you're safe. Meaning there is no risk of cardiovascular disease or diabetes as such. But there is a catch here. If you're sleeping late, you need to ensure that your sleep is undisturbed. That really doesn't happen, especially with morning come doorbells, work calls, noise of traffic, school, college, milkman, and so many others to disturb us. As a result, our sleep is hampered and we end up sleep deprived. Next question: what happens if you're not sleeping enough? There is a drop in health and productivity. Let's look at health issues first. Sleep, sleep deprivation is linked to certain physical problems like cardiovascular disease, hypertension, diabetes. Researchers at Hong Kong University have found and conducted a study that a discernible DNA damage in those whose sleep was disrupted even for one night. Experts say this might help explain the link between cancer, and sleep deprivation. Let's look at the certain diseases. What happens when you don't sleep? Reduced brain function, higher anxiety levels, raises brain's anticipatory reactions, weight gain, weakened immunity, mood balances. We lose on mood balance, so we step into mood imbalances, increase heart disease risk, increase diabetes risk, and poor coordination. Let's look at some of the mental health problems. Now, lack of sleep is linked to anxiety and depression. South Korea and Japan rank the worst. When it comes to a good night's sleep, it so happens that South Korea and Japan also have the highest suicide rates in the world. Japan has the phenomenon called karoshi, death caused by lack of sleep and death by overwork. Do you know we also put on weight if we don't sleep well? King's College London conducted a study. It found that sleep deprived people consumed an average of 385 kilocalories extra per day. That is equivalent to 4.5 slices of bread every day. A study was carried out at the Pennsylvania State University. The research studied that people in their 20s, half of the volunteers got regular sleep, and other half slept less than 5 hours every night. Sleep deprived people ended up feeling less full after a full fat meal. There are two types of hormones that explain the link between sleep deprivation and obesity. Leptin tells the brain that you're full. Ghrelin urges you to eat more. Sleep deprived people have levels of leptin and high levels of ghrelin. Sleep deprivation is also linked to the lack of productivity. If you don't get enough sleep, you're groggy at work. It is also hard to concentrate. You know the drill, we have all been there. As a result, people end up being less productive as well as less focused on their studies. The cost of sleep deprivation is very high. In India, staying back at late at work and sleeping less is regarded as professionalism. So here's the moral of the story. So far, sleep deprivation is helping no one except the market. Brands are complicating and they're offering several products for those who have problem with regular habit of sleeping for 6.5 hours or 7.5 hours. People were sleeping earlier on an average of 10 hours a night. Today, with the modern movement of science and technology, phones, tablets, most of us are spending our time on these devices. The blue light, which is emitted through these devices, which boosts the production cortisol in our body and makes it difficult for us to sleep now. Brands are promising sleep. They come bottled in the form of lotions, candles. Sleep comes in varieties of apps that people sleep inducing sounds. Do you know falling asleep takes around 10 to 15 minutes? But if you manage to doze off within a few minutes, it means that you're sleep deprived. Sleep today has become a product, in fact, a luxury product. The sleep tech device market is worth over $10.9 billion, 48.5% that is related to insomnia segment. The market is expected to grow 16.6% by 2026. This market is fueled by our sleeping patterns and our habits. 50% women use sleep trackers regularly compared to men. More and more people start their day by checking their Fitbands and answering the question, did you sleep well? Have you been sleeping well? Have you been sleeping enough? Who are we excusing to? We have to be very conscious. So, reasons why good sleep is important. A good sleep is incredibly important for your health. In fact, it is just as important as eating healthy and exercising. Unfortunately, there is a lot that can interfere with natural sleep patterns. People are now sleeping less than they did in the past, and sleep quality has decreased as well. So therefore, ensure that the adult should sleep on an average to 6.5 to 7.5 hours per night, which help you to live for the longest period of time on this planet, stay happier and more productive. Early sleep and early awake gives health and makes you grow. A good laugh and a long sleep are the two best cures for anything. Thank you.